Hello friend, welcome to the CryptoPump channel, a space where crypto becomes simple and earning becomes real. The world is changing faster than ever, and right now you might be looking at the screen wondering, is this a person or AI? Yes, before you stands an avatar created by artificial intelligence, but behind it is a real team of people who work every day to create content, so you can earn and grow in the world of crypto. Here you'll find honest reviews of exchanges, wallets, and services, guides on earning without unnecessary risks, trading strategies, from futures to DEX, and most importantly, a practical perspective on the market without fluff or hype. We are creating the CryptoPump ecosystem, a network of channels in various languages. You may have already come across us somewhere. We don't just make videos, we're building an international crypto community where everyone can learn, share experiences, and grow. Our Telegram channel is the heart of everything. It features news, analytics, our thoughts and actions. What we buy, what we sell, our reflections and ideas. In the private chat, there's genuine interaction. No hate, no barriers. Anyone, regardless of language, experience or perspective, can ask questions, share opinions and receive support. We invite real traders and experts to the chat to share their knowledge with those who want to grow. And all of this is completely free, because we believe that everyone should have access to knowledge. If you feel connected to this energy, if you understand that the future lies in blockchain, and if you want to not just observe but actively participate, you're in the right place. Links to all resources are in the description. We continue creating powerful content, and you're already with us.